how to fix TikTok message not working or sending. So if you are unable to send message to some person on TikTok, then today in this video I will be showing you some of the ways to fix this problem. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you need to log into your TikTok account, and once you're logged in, you will be able to see the home page or various videos on TikTok. So in order to send a message, you have to tap on inbox option at the right bottom corner next to profile, and here will be all of your friends. You can simply tap over there and send message to them. So right now the message is sent, but if you are unable to send the message, then the first thing is, in order to send message to someone, you need to be friend with that person. That means you both must follow each other TikTok account, then only you will be able to send message. But if you have followed the person and the person haven't followed back, then you won't be able to send message to them. So you need to know this. And the second thing is, you have to go back to your home page, and you can tap and hold on your TikTok account, and you can go for clear cache directly. If you are unable to find the clear cache directly, then you can go for app info, and from over here you have to go for storage and cache, where you have to go for clear cache. And by doing that, your TikTok will be refreshed and you will be able to send message on TikTok. You can go back and check, you'll be able to fix your problem. So this is how you fix TikTok message not working or sending. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.